In the previous video, we covered an overview of the MazaCAM Editor Performance Package. Now let's take a closer look at the MazaCAM Editor for creating and editing Mazatrol programs. The MazaCAM Editor provides you with the ability to write or edit programs on your PC. It is one of the key tools towards increasing the shop's productivity and profits. The MazaCAM Editor supports controls from the very first T1 to the latest matrix and smart controls. It's like having 20 Mazatrol editors in one. Let's take a look at creating a matrix and a GREX program. The editor gives you commands that you are already used to on the Mazac CNC control. While entering values, bottom prompts and soft keys guide you through the programming process. A lot of work is done for you, thus decreasing your programming time. This way you spend less time programming parts and more time cutting them. You can use your tool files from the Mazac CNC to select tools from your tool list. Also, you can program your part using AutoSet based on cut conditions, tool file, tool data, and user parameters downloaded from your Mazac CNC. Mazatrol is an easy method of programming at the Mazac machine, but the ability to program Mazatrol at the machine while it is running is not a practical way of programming parts. After all, who wants to spend all that money on a CNC machine to program parts? The MazaCAM Editor will give you the functionality of programming at the machine without having to stand there or wait to the end of the day so that you can program your parts. So one benefit of the MazaCAM Editor is that it will allow you to free up as much time as possible for the Mazac to cut parts, which is what makes you money. Now let's take a look at editing an existing Mazatrol program. The MazaCAM Editor appears similar to that on the Mazac control. However, it takes full advantage of Windows and mouse features such as scroll bars to help you navigate swiftly through your program, instead of the up and down buttons used on the Mazac. It also has pop-up menus and Windows-style copy and paste capabilities to make editing and program even easier. The MazaCAM Editor has searching capabilities to allow you to easily locate a process unit or tool in your program. You can use Tool Find to search your program for a specific tool. You can further refine your search by entering the nominal diameter or the ID letter or both. The MazaCAM Editor has a unique feature called Tool Replace. Tool Replace will replace all instances of the same tool throughout the entire program with another tool. Now let's take a look at the line editing features found in the MazaCAM Editor. The editor allows you to change your process without having to erase it and start all over again. You simply edit in the changes. For instance, we'll change this line left process to a line out process. In addition to inserting a line the way you can on the Mazac control, the editor allows you to insert a line either before or after the current line that you're on for any process, tool, or shape line. Here we'll add a line after the roughing tool for this line out process. The finishing tool was easily added without having to erase the entire line out process and start all over again. The MazaCAM Editor has a number of copy and paste functions to assist with programming and editing. You can copy and paste a line, a whole process unit, a whole shape, or a whole program. Let's use copy the whole process unit to repeat this thread out process. You can open multiple editors at the same time so you can see various programs at once. Copy parts of other programs and paste them into the program you are creating or editing, thus saving you time when repeating operations. You can also copy entire programs and paste them into other programs. The MazaCAM Editor allows you to easily edit TPC. The TPC, or Tool Path Control data, is contained in the user parameter file from your Mazac and can be set for any appropriate units of your program. The TPC data consists of data items used to adjust tool paths and relay points. Now let's take a look at editing priority numbers and program layout. Assigning tool priority in the MazaCAM Editor is similar to the Mazac CNC. You can assign, change, or delay the priority number for a given tool or for all occurrences of that same tool. Program Layout is a MazaCAM Editor function that can scan through a program for tool priority numbers and displays a list of the processes and tools in the sequence that they will actually be performed at the control. It is only available on controls that have priority numbers set on the tool line, generally all milling and matrix controls. The program layout allows the user to easily edit the tool priority numbering throughout the program. So with the MazaCAM Editor, you can write and edit Mazatrol programs on your PC in the comfort of your own office without any distractions. You can also install the MazaCAM Editor on your laptop and program parts wherever you are, at a client, while traveling, or throughout the shop. The editor also serves as an excellent training tool for personnel new to Mazatrol programming. Training is done on your PC so it doesn't tie up the Mazacs. The MazaCAM Editor supports controls from the very first T1 to the latest Matrix and Smart Control, with the exception of T4. You can select tools from your tool list and program your parts using AutoSet based on cut conditions, tool file, tool data, and user parameters downloaded from your Mazac. You can search your program for a specific tool, as well as replace all instances of the same tool throughout the entire program with another tool, automatically with Tool Replace. In addition to inserting a line the way you can on the Mazac control, the editor allows you to insert a line before and after a process, tool, or shape line. The editor allows you to change your process without having to erase it and start over again. You simply edit in the changes. You can open multiple editors and copy parts of other programs and paste them into the program you are creating or editing, thus saving you time when repeating operations. You can also copy entire programs and paste them into other programs. With the MazaCAM Editor, you can easily edit TPC and tool priority number.